Hi guys, Tom Morrison here, and I want to talk about a common coaching cue, which is to lift your toes whenever you're going down into a squat. Now, it's one I personally don't like because your feet are very important for how your hips function. So you actually want to be grabbing the ground with your toes to create a better arch, to put your knees in a better position, and also to activate the muscles in your hips. If you are lifting your toes whenever you squat, you're sitting back and almost like trying to counterbalance yourself onto your heels. This is terrible for your lower back, and it's going to grind your hips instead of actually using the muscles to support them. So if you're trying to lift your toes when you're squatting in order to get down lower, it is actually going to give you a really bad squat. You're much better sticking to something like the goblet squat, the weights in front of you, to use that to help counterbalance you, and so that you can learn how to use your feet properly, okay? If you need to open up your hips, you're much better on working on that rather than trying to use a cue like lifting the toes to try and get you to sit back further, okay? So again, puts too much stress in the lower back. It makes your hips grind instead of activate. Make sure you're grabbing the ground with your toes when you squat rather than trying to lift them.